Welcome back, everyone. My channel is about taking you through the thinking process of a chef, and today we're going to do another fun little recipe. Let's make potato pizza. No, really, it's a fun, easy way to make super gooey, cheesy pizza. So let's dive in. This recipe is meant as a pantry dish with easy to reach ingredients. I'll have a list of ingredients below, so don't worry about the exact type of potato. Whatever you have will do. So that huge bag of potatoes that you've had lying around since high school, yeah, now's the time. Let's go for 500 grams of potatoes. That should make for a good sized pizza. Now, here's a little trick for you. We're not going to peel them at all. Yep. No, don't worry. We're not going to eat the skins either. Let me show you after we've got them boiled. And how do you know that they're ready? Well, we can always do the poka test like Chef John says. I like to stick a knife in them and pretend I'm Rambo. The other way to tell is if the skin starts to fall off by themselves. You can see here that the skin is starting to crack. That's a good sign. Okay, let's take them out and see what we've got. Like I said, there's no need to peel them before. After the boiling, the skin will pretty much fall off with a little pressure. Now, the potatoes are really hard at the start. So what I will do is run them under cold water. Then, I leave some water in the bowl to catch the peeling skins. Makes for easier cleanup. In terms of smashing up the potatoes, most typical tools will do. You can use a ricer, a masher, like I'm showing here, and if you really have nothing else, go ahead and use your hands. The point is that we're not going for creamy mashed potatoes. No, we're going to cook the potatoes like pizza dough, so there's no need to be delicate. Now, we'll mix in some all-purpose flour. Again, we're going for a pantry dish, so any flour with about 10% protein content will do. We're not going to win any Michelin stars, but we will most definitely get a quick, easy pizza that you can serve to your family. And I know the kids will love it. As for the exact amount, the ratio I use is 30% of the potatoes. So here, I'm using 150 grams. Now, you didn't think we're not going to season it, right? Well, that's exactly what I did the first time, and the taste was rather blah. See, that's how a chef comes up with his brilliant ideas. Screw up and pretend it never happened. Let's make the measurement easy. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, then half a teaspoon of the following spices: cayenne pepper, cinnamon, smoked paprika, and cumin. And you know what? Let's throw in a bay leaf. Okay, I'm joking. I don't think they do anything anyway, so why bother? Okay, let's mix it up. Put in the spiced flour first. It'll make less of a mess. Then scoop in our potatoes. At first, it'll seem like the flour is too much and it's gonna taste chalky. No problem. Have faith. Keep kneading the dough and the moisture from the potato will work its magic. This will probably be the easiest dough you've ever squished. It's moist and soft and super easy to handle. Now here, I can make some jokes about kneading my big balls. And if you thought that was inappropriate, well, I'm gonna blame Sherry. She's a good friend and fellow chef, and she keeps encouraging me to make these jokes. So Sherry, if you're watching, I'm putting this on you. Both my instructors always said, add flavor at every step of the recipe. So when we get ready to cook the dough, we'll add both oil and butter to the pan. And yes, using the non-stick is really a lot easier. You'll see how that works at the end. Let the oil heat up and let the butter fully melt into the pan. Let's play patty cake. Drop the dough into the pan and start pushing out to the sides. What you're trying to do is make the edge of the circle rise up, just the same as a regular pizza. Okay, so what you're seeing is cheese already spread out into the pan. Why? Well, because I forgot to hit record. So basically, this is a mix of mozzarella and American cheese. And since I forgot to record, I'm going to show you a simulation of what that would look like. Yep, there you go. In case you've never seen cheese being sprinkled on dough before. So for the first 5 minutes, you're going to cook on high heat. That's to get a good char on the dough. Then continue cooking on low heat for 25 minutes. That should give you a nice melt on the cheese and a beautiful browning on the dough. Remember to keep the lid on at all times. And look how easy it is to slide that off the pan. That's why I was saying to use a non-stick. And look at that beautiful cheese. Now, as an extra bonus touch, let's give that a good torch treatment. It's going to add some charring and nice color on the cheese. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more quirky fun. And please check out my friend Sherry's channel. She just did a chocolate pizza recipe that is amazing. I put a link to her channel below. And I'll see you in the next video.